Go direct. Okay, standby. Rolling. 3, 2, and up. Just direct. Which one direct? Yung ito. Oh,
Lord, give us some wind.
yes. Wala kasi yung kaibigan kong mayabang ngayon, hindi nag-duty siya. So, ito na yung hangin. Standby. So, take rolling. Cameras rolling. Sound rolling.
Rolling.
3, 2, action!
Wait, wala ka.
Sorry po. Nakasarap pala.
Okay, still rolling. Standby. 3, 2, and naka-unlock na siya na. Action!
Thank you. Def, salamat pala. Salamat mo kasi mama ko kumuha ng supplies for the cafe.
As if naman may choice ako. Siyempre, boss kita eh.